guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would review Pretty Little Things jeans, but not just any of their jeans. I wanted to specifically review the ones from their shape range. Now I've reviewed some of their stuff from their shape range before and I was actually really pleasantly surprised with how it fits. I really rated it, so I wanted to try their jeans because I've never tried them. I haven't really found many other people who have given them a review, so I was like, you know what, I'll order a few and see what they're like. So this isn't sponsored, but I will put the links down in the description box, so if you use the affiliate links, thank you very much. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the first pair, and this is the ripped skinny jeans. So this, I don't wear ripped jeans, but I know a lot of people do, so I wanted to show variety in this video and give you guys a gist of what they look like. And you never know, maybe it will turn me to love ripped jeans, but for me, I don't know, I like things, I feel like ripped jeans look like they need fixing, but I think they suit some people really well. I just can't wear them myself. It's weird. I'm odd about that, but you never know, these might change me. So they're just a really nice sort of blue, and I got them in a size 8. So I got all these jeans in a size 8, so you can sort of use me as a, you know, guideline if you're wondering what size to get yourself. So these are called the Shape Mid-Wash Extreme Rip Skinny Jeans. So they're gonna be extremely ripped, I guess. So they've just got rips all the way down. I can't. Why rip a perfectly good item? But that might just be me. But we'll see what they look like on, because I feel like they kind of look stylish on with like a heel. I do appreciate they can look stylish. So I think I'm just gonna throw these on and see what they fit like. They do have a nice amount of stretch. It's not like too stretchy. I think it will still hold you in. So let's pop them on and see what they look like. Okay, so I have them on, but there is one big problem with these jeans. You can see I've done them up. They probably look okay standing still, but what is all of this? These are meant to be their shape range jeans, so aren't these made for an hourglass shape? Like, us hourglass girls, we have the big thighs and we have, you know, the curvier bums, but we want the waist to be nice and tight to, you know, own the shape. But I can't do that in these. Like, look at this bucket bag. I'm very disappointed in these. Like, I'm a little bit shocked. And the rips, I nearly put my foot in getting them on, but I feel like that's just normal for jeans. But what? Like, we're talking, this feels like 2 sizes too big. And I suppose I could size down and get a size 6, but I still think the waist is going to be huge, because this isn't a little problem. And I've double checked, this is definitely a size 8. So if you like these jeans, definitely size down, but I'm never a size 6. So we'll try them with a belt. But I've got to say, I'm sad, because I'm worried now, like, if these don't fit, all the size 8's going to be huge. Let's have a look. Because, like, their skirts and dresses fit me great last time. So I was really excited to see what their jeans were like. Okay, with a belt, they sort of look cute, a bit like, I want to say they're kind of like mum jeans. Like, I could work these, but I kind of wanted them to be a bit better around the waist, just so I had the options to wear them as normal jeans. But this is what they look like. And I'm not sure I'm feeling the fit of them, but I do, looking at them with a belt on, I could work them. But the reason I wanted to try Pretty Little Things shape range is to see if I needed a belt, because I have to wear a belt with all my jeans, so I wanted to see if maybe a company has made ones you don't. But that's this pair. Let me know what you think, but these were going to have to be amazing for me to keep anyway, because I'm not a fan of rips, so the fit was going to have to literally be the best thing out there. But look, like, you can see, even with a belt, there's all this excess material above my bum. So I'd have to, you know, get 2 darts put in above the bum, which, you know, they're still £25. I'd rather get a cheap pair, you know, from Primark or a charity shop, and then pay to get them tailored for, you know, upwards of £25. I'd be expecting them to fit a bit better than this. But let me know what you think. I think I'm not feeling these ones, but yeah, that's how they fit. Now the next pair I'm going to show you guys is this pair. So this is their high waist super stretch skinny jean. So I love high-waisted jeans, and I wanted to see what they fit like, just because I've never actually tried jeans from Pretty Little Thing, let alone their shape range. So they look like this. They look pretty normal. They look like they've got enough bum space, very nice and stretchy and very nice and skinny as well. So yeah, let's get these on. So this is what these ones fit like, and they fit so much better than the ripped ones. Like, there's a little bit of space, but I could get away with these without a belt. Like, they don't like bag at the back, they do sit tight to my waist. But a belt would just mean you can cinch yourself in even more. They fit the legs beautifully, they're super skinny, which is always a nice thing with jeans. I rate these a lot, like these could become my everyday jeans really easily. So these are their super high waist, super stretch ones, I think. No, they're just high waist, super stretch skinnies. But I really like these. They fit really nice, they're really easy to wear. They're quite long, so if you are a tall girl, you can get away with them. I don't think they'd be ankle swingers on you. I think if I'm 5'5" and there's this much excess, so I think if you're shorter than me, you know, you might need to roll them up or tack them up a little bit. But for £25, if you want a killer pair of really flattering shape jeans, I think these are the ones to go for. And they do these in quite a few colours, so no, I'm happy with these. I think this is the fit I was after for shape range, because their shape range is advertised for the hourglass, so you would have thought the waist is really important. They just need to take into account some curves, and I think they really have on these. So these have a 10 out of 10 from me, but let me know what you think. But love these, and I'll pop a belt on just to give you the look of an even more cinched in waist, just because they do have a little bit excess, but I couldn't size down in these. Like, I think a 6 would be way too tight. An 8 is just perfect. Because that's the thing with jeans, I want to be able to get them on and move. So that's what they look like. So they're just lovely and high waist, and they fit really nice. I love these. I think I'm going to keep these ones. Let me know what you think, but love these ones. The next pair I'm going to show you guys is the grey pair. So which ones are these ones? I think these are similar to the last pair you just saw, but in charcoal rather than blue, just so you can get a gist of the different colours. And because colours can look quite different, I thought it would be nice to contrast between two of the same shape. So I like this colour. It kind of looks like it's non-stretchy, the jean. It kind of looks just like a proper denim. But it is, in fact, super stretchy, which is really cool. Nice and high-waisted. I think these will fit quite nice, so let's go pop them on. This is how the charcoal ones fit, and they are actually quite different to the blue ones. These ones are just a skinny fit rather than the blue ones, which were a super stretch skinny. So they're a little bit looser, but again, they don't sit badly on. You can see they don't give me a hollow back. They don't like bucket like the ripped ones did. But they are just a little bit looser, so I would have to wear a belt with these. But the actual fit of them, it's kind of more of a relaxed fit, so they're not as skinny as the blue ones, but they're still very much skinny jeans. And no, I quite like these. They're kind of an easier fit, and they look like they're not stretchy. So I don't know how to explain it. They look like they're just proper denim, but then they do have some stretch in them. So they're a lot more comfy than like just solid denim is for me. But I like the fact they look like they're not super stretchy. But no, I think they need a belt, so I'll pop a belt on. But I've got to say, these and the blue ones I could definitely wear. Like, these don't fit bad. And I mean, they're literally half the price of the jeans I normally buy, so that's why I really wanted to try them. But it is a bit of trial and error with Pretty Little Thing. They seem to have got some things right in their shape range, and other things just don't work. But no, I really like these. I love how they look like denim. They're like just really nice jeans. No, I rate these, and these are a lot shorter than the blue ones, so these are the perfect length for me. So I'd probably like roll them up a little bit, just because they're not tight around my ankle, and wear them as like cute sort of cropped jeans like that. No, I really like these, especially with a belt. They feel lovely. They're not tight anywhere, but they fit nice. I think these are a really flattering shape, so no, I really like these. So these are a yes from me as well. And the final pair to show you guys is the mum jean. So these are called Shape mid-wash mum jeans. So I do think they do these in other colours, but I went for the light blue just because that's the type of mum jean colour I think I'd wear the most. And I'm intrigued to see, I don't know if, I think they're non-stretchy because I feel like that's what a mum jean is, but they might have added some stretch. Let's have a look. So this is what they look like. So they have that washed out look, which some people like. It grows on me, but I'm not always sure on it. These are non-stretchy. But they do look like they've given them quite a bit of space, so they might actually be quite baggy. But I say this about some clothes, and then when they're actually on my body, they're tight fitting. So we'll wait to see when we try these on. The waist looks not too bad, and there's belt buckle holes, so I can always draw it in. And then they're pretty straight legged, but I think if you fold up the base a little bit, you can sort of adjust it so it looks more slim down the leg, that type of thing. But no, I like the colour of them, and I think I'll just throw them on so we can see what they look like. So this is what they look like on, and because they're like a loose fitting leg, they look a bit funny, and I'm on my tiptoes right now because they're too long for me, but because they're like not tight at the bottom, they go over my foot. So I will trip, like you can see they pull over my ankle there, so I'll literally trip over them. But you can always tuck that up, but you can see what they look like. I think they're just they're not really my style, but they do fit not terribly. Like, considering they're no stretch, the waist isn't actually huge on them. Like, with a belt, and I would always wear a belt with mum jeans anyway, I think they're quite cute. They're not super loose around the bum, like I still think they're quite flattering. It's just the legs that I would prefer them to be a bit more sort of slim leg. They're a little, I think it might be because they're a bit big for me lengthwise, that there's just a bit of excess material going on. But apart from that, they're not my style, but I've got to say, I'm judging on their fit. I think they're not a bad fit. And they weren't too hard to get on. I know that sounds really weird, but with non-stretchy jeans, when you've got hips, to get a small waist over your hips is next to impossible. So the waist is always going to be a bit big in order to get them on, unless they do zips down the side, so you can have 2 zips. There's literally no other way. I've tried getting jeans tailored and they'll make the waist the right size to my waist, but then I can't get them on because I can't get them over my hips and thighs. But that's just the way it is. I wouldn't want it any other way, but it's quite fun when you find the right fit. It looks amazing. And so I don't mind these. I think, let me put a belt on. I feel like the belt will work with these. And then if I did tack them up at the bottom, I reckon I could wear these. They're just a different style to what I maybe normally wear. But I mean, if mum jeans are your thing, and you've got slightly longer legs than me, because I'm 5'5", so if you're a bit taller than that, go for these. I think they're quite stylish. I prefer my stuff a bit more skin tight, but no, I rate these. They're very comfy, and I mean, they're a little bit big around the front considering the waist isn't too small, but isn't too big. Like, they've got like excess material here, but then a small waist, but I think that's just the style of jeans they're going for. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's these ones. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. I'll also link all my social media down in the description box below. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe and let me know what you thought of the jeans in the comments, whether I get away with the rip design. I'm always just unsure on it. Like, I love it on other people, but there's just something about it on myself, it just feels wrong. But nonetheless, I'll link all the jeans down below, and I'll also link all my social media if you'd like to check that out. But once again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.